get in here and watch this video, please.
Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like a top down. It's got tomorrow waiting right now.
It's game card. Yeah. So fine. You are welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Get in here and watch this video, please. Okay, so we are starting this vlog in my car because I have lots of errands to go. I have to go to the market. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so I need to go to the market today to get the things I will be needing for Sunday, rice or whatever I'm going to be cooking, and also help my mom to get some stuffs at the market too. And also get some yes, I'm going to GUO to pick up a waybill and also GIG. So at the time is 3. I'm just imagining like the time I'm going to come back. I just hope it's not going to get dark, and the weather is already dark and all of that, because I don't know, it's raining though, so I believe that's why it's even a bit dim. Yeah, so that's practically what I'm going to be doing, and probably stop at the mall to get my kids shampoo and conditioner for their hair. I think I need to buy fuel because my fuel is empty. My fuel tank is empty, so let's go, please. This phone is going to fall down, if I move now. Doesn't fall. It doesn't fall. Good afternoon.
Walk with me, follow me, brave the unknown. Faith is a map for the called. Count the stars if you can, they echo my oath. I am your great reward. I am your great reward. Oh, as sure as I live. Oh, my word is my seal. This is my covenant promise to you. I am your great reward. The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. You won't it, and you miss so much. The tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace, we can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. Wait till you drowning with the tides on your soul. When you don't say nothing, if you love them, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. No else could I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want, won't you? And who you miss you. You know, your tears are falling, you can't feel it.
Hi my loves, how are you doing today? I don't know, I'm always late in doing things. Like, God help me, like help me. I know that, okay, right now these kids are hungry and the time is 6:13. I meant to have made dinner a while ago. I just didn't want to give them swallow, so I want to make a very fast fried rice. Yeah, so I just want to be as fast as possible so that nobody comes crying to me and telling me, oh mommy, I'm hungry and all of that, you understand? And all of that. So I want to be as fast as I can be right now. So let's just be fast. So I'm just cleaning the gas right now, tidying it up, and I'm not washing the gas per se. I'm not washing the gas per se. I just want to clean it up because I'm not going to look nice if it's dirty, right? So I just want to clean it up and put in my everything and just start cooking. So let's go ahead. So my kitchen is kind of like a mess. I won't say it's really a mess per se. God, should I just clean this because it's quite dirty? I can't even cook on a dirty gas. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I can't cook on a dirty gas. Like, wallahi, I just don't know how to do it. So I think I might just wash the gas my loves, how you doing today? So it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and I'm all for a child dedication, and this is what I am wearing. Just putting on a silver earring, and the jewelries I just have is just my watch and a bracelet and this gown and my bag, and I look so chic, right? Yes, yes. Let me just try and see if I can keep the camera in a proper way so we could see it properly. My tailor made this and this is so beautiful and chic, right? Yes, I love the dress so much. It's so adorable and the patterns are so fine, so fine. Yeah, so come along with me. I'm going to carry you guys all along with me, so let's go. Hi my loves, how are you doing today? I am off to a picnic and with some beautiful ladies, so I'm just getting dressed. This is what I'm going to be wearing. It's just a top and a skirt. I want to wear this glass case of sun, although it's not sunny, but I don't want to take chances, man. Then I have my earrings, just want to put it on and just start going because I'm late. Oh god, this earring has bent. It's not like hook earring. Yep. Yeah, I think the earring goes well with the dress. It goes well, right? Yes. So I'm going to be carrying this small bag or purse. Let me just move this one up. I don't even think I have anything inside here. I'm just going to put my phone and this thing and some game cards. Yeah, it's going to be fun now. So I'm going to be putting on this perfume. We need to smell good, right? Yeah, we need to smell good. Hey, see God's design. Organic. Oh my god. And I'm going to be using this too. I think my favorite is actually this one. I love the scent. It's so nice. You guys should get this particular, and you won't, this particular one, you won't regret it at all. It's so good. So just gonna spray this. I like this clothes because of the slit down. I don't think you can see it, but yeah, all set and ready, and let's go. I'm going with my speaker and some game cards. Hold on a minute, let me go and get the game cards. Okay, this game card, yeah, this game card and this one too. So you can enter my bag. I think it's just one that counts, so I'm going to hold one on my hand and carry the other one. I'm going to be putting on a red sandals, nothing too much, it's a picnic. Let's go.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful, the way it flows together. I think I a bird singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows.
Hello, welcome to our picnic. And here's our baby.
You did it for me. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. The way the fruit grows and knows when the light burns. I'm looking for a new season, and it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I seek you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel